Well, well, well. I see that my hard work has finally paid off. The little thief has fallen right into one of my traps. How sad and pathetic. For years, you've made me the laughingstock of the entire police station. But that ends today. Aw, look at you, unable to run, unable to use those skilled hands. How does it feel to be completely at my mercy? What do you mean, who the hell are you? The cop who's been chasing you since the beginning of your career. Is a dirty little thief. Do you seriously not recognize me? Oh, stop laughing. You're not in the position to mess with me. Now, where were we? Oh, right. My colleagues will arrive soon, and the moment they'll see what I've managed to do, they'll feel so stupid for underestimating me. What will happen to you? Well, we're going to throw you in prison. Maximum security, preferably. Of course, there's going to be a trial before that, but I highly doubt they'll find you innocent. Oh, don't make that face. You should have thought about that before putting your hands on stuff that doesn't belong to you. Enjoy your freedom while it lasts, little thief. My colleagues will be here soon. In the meantime, there are a couple of things I've been meaning to ask you. The bank, the museum, all the places that you've robbed. I cannot believe all those heists were done by a single person. No, I don't think you have a partner in crime. I was just wondering. Well, you're so smart. You could do anything that you want with your life. No, don't thank me. It wasn't a compliment. What I mean is, why a thief? I mean, I know it better than anyone how unfair this world can be, but but I've still managed to grow into a decent person, unlike someone. So what's your excuse? You can tell me. After all, we've known each other for a while now. Kinda. Of course I'm curious. You've been the sole purpose of my career for years. I feel like I deserve to know. No, we're not friends, but I don't know. I almost feel like we know each other. You know what I mean? Like we really know each other. So why? Okay, I'll stop asking. What? I'm not a monster, little thief. Of course I'm going to stop if you ask me to. And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. There is no justification for your crimes. Yeah. I did say you were the sole purpose of my career. So what? What am I going to do now that I've caught you? Well, I'm going to do my job, of course. It's not like it's never going to be the same without you. I mean, I guess I did have fun chasing you. A lot of fun. God, little thief. Do you have any idea how absolutely impossible you have made my life for the last few years? All the nights that I've spent in my bed, tossing and turning, unable to sleep, thinking of ways to finally catch you. The thrill of chasing you through the streets of the city that we've made ours, even though I knew full well I'd never catch up to your fast little legs. The disappointment I felt when I realized you were too far away from me. So far away. And then the hope of remembering that no matter how much you ran, you would always come back to me. Because you get it, don't you? You love it too. This thing that we have. Well, we had. I did love it. I do. You... You want me to get closer? Alright. What are you? Wait, did you just kiss me on the cheek? No, I would have not preferred it on my lips. Why did you do that? I was absolutely not hinting the fact that I've had the biggest, most prohibited crush on you for the longest time. And I was absolutely not about to confess my love for you. So why did you? Oh, fuck it. Was that all right? I'm sorry. I should have asked you before doing it, but I've been waiting for that for so long. You know what? You're right. I'm not ready to give this up yet. Yes, I'm saying that I'm letting you go. I don't care about my colleagues. They can say whatever they want. They'll never get it. My trap is pretty intricate. It could hurt you if you struggle too much. Wait a damn minute. When did you free yourself? How? I've been working on this thing for months. Hey! Where do you think you're going?